Hi everyone, Felipe here, and in this tutorial I will teach you how you can get feedback from your customers. So we will talk a little bit about the digital form, how you can get a shareable link of this form so that you can share with all your customers to collect feedback. And also, I will teach you how you can download the QR code from the Feedback Reviews platform. And throughout this tutorial, I will be sharing as well some of the best practices for getting more responses from your customers. So first, I will show you where you can find the form. So on the left side in feedback reviews, you will find here the feature called form. When you click there, you will be taken to the actual form that your customers will receive and is where they will put all the feedback. The form is very simple. Right now we support two languages, English and Spanish. So the first thing you can see is your business logo. This is why we say it's so important that the first thing you should do when you create your feedback reviews account is go to your settings and then make sure to add the logo of your business. That way it will be displayed here, and that way your customers will trust and will see that this form is actually coming from your business. So it's very simple, the form. You have the option to select the stars to give your satisfaction. And also here you have this comment box where you will be able to write down uh, all the feedback that you want to provide as a customer. Uh, Additionally, the customers they can add their personal information. As it says here, is optional. It means that they can submit a feedback anonymously, but when they want to be contacted, perhaps they can definitely put their personal information here so that you as a business can contact them if necessary. To share the link is very easy. Up here, you will find this little icon, and when you click on it, it will open this box. And as it says here, share this link with your friends. So you can either copy the text or you can click on this button, and that way you will have your link and you can now use it and share it throughout all the communications that you have online with your customers. For example, you can request feedback after you provide a service, maybe via text messages or direct messages if you're using social media, or simply you can also send this link via email or any other communication you have. Now that you have learned how to get the shareable link, I will teach you how you can also get a QR code inside feedback reviews. So you can go directly into this section called QR. And over here, what you will find is that you have this QR code that is unique, and it will take anyone who scans the QR code directly to the digital form. You can either right click and save the image, or you can hit the button download and immediately it will trigger the download in your computer. Once you have your QR code, we highly recommend that you can implement it into some sort of design that you can strategically place in your physical location. This will make it easier for your customers to scan the QR code and access the form so that they can provide feedback to you. These are just some examples, as you can see here, but there are many, many ways in which businesses have been using QR codes, and we highly recommend you implement these in areas where customers can easily see, and then they can scan and provide feedback to you.